Hello embedded system lovers. So you've seen people build computers from scratch on breadboards, but what if you could learn everything without buying a single component? This is a 4-bit register fully simulated in Proteus, exactly how real computers store data internally. Every flip-flop you see here, every LED, every clock pulse is the same foundation Ben Eater used to build his 8-bit computer, and today you're watching it come alive digitally. As the clock runs, the register loads, holds and output values through the bus lines, just like a real CPU. No breadboard, no wires, no components, just pure logic. So here is my question: should I turn this into a full series where we build an entire 8-bit computer from scratch inside Proteus, control units, ALU, that is arithmetic logic units, memory, and everything step by step? If you want to understand how a computer really works internally without spending money, then tell me in the comment section, build the computer. Type build the computer in the comment section and I will make a series on this. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video to encourage the growth of this channel so the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to other people who will be interested in building a PC from scratch. Bye.